really nice sunshine out and stuff. So somebody was asking for video on how the winch was mounted up on here. So I'm going to get this thing out in the sunlight and let you guys take a look, see exactly how it's mounted up. Hopefully exactly how it's mounted up. So yeah, let's get it back out, take a look. Alright, what a beautiful day out. Nice bright blue skies, sun shining. Spring is in the air, fellas, and so is coronavirus, so stay safe. Luckily, we're not affected by it up here, so I can kind of joke about it. But seriously, I hope all you guys are safe, and hope nobody's really affected by it. I'm kind of affected by it, not the virus itself, but by the travel lockdown. I was supposed to go up to Alaska. As you guys know, I'm in Minnesota, but I was supposed to go to Alaska to work for the summer, and I don't know, those plans are kind of up in the air right now. I just got to see if I can get across the border, being an essential workforce for up there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'll keep you posted on that. That's why I say I've been kind of busy lately trying to get ready for that, and haven't had time to do a lot of videos and stuff. So anyways, hopefully the audio comes through. I'll shut this off. Well, hopefully the audio came through. So yeah, here's the wheeler. Here's a winch mount. It's got the front bumpers set up on here, and when I bought it, it came like this. And it came with the winch controller, which my old Warren winch had basically like a remote, a wired remote that you would plug in, and I had it actually mounted to here, so you could plug it in here and then had it mounted up here. But this one is different. This has a switch right here mounted on the rack. Wires go through underneath the rack, and on this panel, hopefully you can see, it's so bright I'm having trouble seeing my screen. I'll turn up the brightness here for you. There we go. So underneath the rack, all these wires, these two wires for the winch control, they go up underneath the center hood panel, and this is a wire for my LED light bar, which I ran under there also. So all this is doing, turn this back down, all this is doing is you pull this panel off here, and the wires are running under here, and then they run along the frame back to your battery to mount up to the battery. So the actual winch itself, try and get a look at this. I believe it bolts up into the side of this bracket here. Trying to see if I can get a look back in here. Okay, so they got a plate here. I don't know if you can tell, there's a couple of bolts here that the winch mounts to, it looks like. They got the housing, and then they got a couple of bolts, flat bolts here, and a couple of bolts here, but what do those go to? So those go to this angled piece of metal here. I don't know if they custom fab this or what, but it goes along here and angles into here, and they have the winch bolted to that, and then they have that bolted to the bumper bracket. So that's how they mounted this bugger on there. Actually a pretty slick way to do it, but I don't know if they bought that mount or if they custom did that mount. And you can't really see it. It's got the roller fair lead here, which is obviously bolted up right to the front plate on this heavy duty bumper. hopefully this kind of gives you an idea. There's these cables, here's the cable, power cable and stuff, runs up through here. So I'm trying to talk and film and watch, but power cable's up here and runs up through there. But yeah, that's pretty much how they got it mounted. So they got the winch bolted to that plate, which is like a U shape, which is bolted to the rack. That's how it's mounted up. Hopefully that helps answer your questions. Yeah, not much else going on, guys. Wish I'd warm up a little and had better snow conditions, get you some video of this thing out wheeling, but kind of hard to do by myself. Headlight's crooked. Yeah, I'll keep you posted on this summer. Let you know if I head to Alaska, I'll be working a ton up there. So hopefully I'll get time to do some videos and stuff like that. If not, probably won't hear from me for a while, but I'll try and do my best to post updates. If I don't go up there and I'm back home all summer, well, then I'll probably try and get out wheeling, off-roading, and try and do a bunch of videos for you guys. So stay tuned, favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other videos you want to see, leave them in the comments. I'm definitely open to ideas about doing videos and stuff. So sometimes I kind of run out of ideas and don't get to upload too much, which I do apologize for. So, alright guys, stay tuned, and yeah, favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you like the videos. And do a couple donuts in the driveway and then park this bugger. Donut time.